Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the part of the world that you're living in. This is part of the Python programming series. In this section, we're going to dive about numerical data types generally, which are actually categorized into three basic categories. The first one is the numerical data type, and then we have the Boolean data type, and lastly, the string data types. So let's go ahead and start studying them independently. So numerical data types are data types which are number focused. So, for example, as you can see, if it's an integer data type, then it's a whole number. It could be positive or negative, but it doesn't include any decimal points. Whenever it includes a decimal point, then we call it a float data type because it does have a floating point after the whole number. A complex number is just, yeah, a complex number which includes the real and the imaginary number together. Let's do just uh, one or two examples. So for the code sections of every lectures, you can find it in the description below where we're going to put it in the INFNOVA GitHub. Okay, so let's say num1 equals to 2, num2 equals to 3.5, and num3, let's make it a complex number, 3 plus 4j. So if we go ahead and check the data type of each numbers, let's say num1 comma type of num1. Let's do this for num2. So whenever you would like to copy the same line of code into the next line, what you can do is Control D, and I think it's Command D or Mac. So in PT, it's Control D, and it's going to copy up every part of the code, and you could improve only things that you would like to improve. Okay, so the first one, num1, that's 2, and it's a class of int. 3.5, that's a class of float. 3 plus 4j, that's a class of complex numbers. And also you can be able to um, print out specific part of the complex number, like the real part or the imaginary part. What you can do is call out that complex number, you do a dot, and if you say imaginary, then it's going to print out the imaginary part. Let's do this imaginary. Yes. Let's put a comma. And for the next one, real. For the real part, num3 dot real. So you see that the imaginary part is 4, which is correct because it's 4j, and the real part is 3, and it's showing it as it is here. So yeah, this is our numerical data type. And then also we have Boolean data types. So Boolean data types are type of a data that only holds two type of variable the value that's either true or false. So um, let's have a situation like is sunny. Is it sunny right now? For me, it isn't because it's the night time. So false. So Boolean data types starts with a capital letter. Keep this in mind. If you make this a small letter false, then it's going to be incorrect. Easy training. Mm, For my case, it's false also. So it's not sunny and it's not raining. It's a calm weather, kind of a bit colder. So mm, you can just check it out by just printing it. Is sunny and also is raining. So they're both false. And you can check out the data types by doing um, type of is sunny. You see that it's a bool. It's a class of Boolean data type.